We should try to dive in this thing, explanation, and to have something from these explanation, not to give others money. Have these things in our hearts. So it is written, Satang Prasangamo Vidya Sambuddha. In Sadhu Sang, always bhakti and bhakti. How Krishna did his first time. Always Krishna Katha. Not always that we should control this and that. We should make so beautiful homes, recreate it worldly, all kinds of give him pleasure, and we should taste. Not always. To taste wealth. Don't wear very good and precious clothes. Don't take very delicious food. You should give it to proper Vaishnavas, bona fide Vaishnavas. Don't take. Like Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He used to take only shark and anna only. Nothing else. And what he got, he distributed among all the devotees. And if he will take so much, then says for drinking 2 kilos of दूध माने very dense and reddish दूध with makhan and malai. With it all in ready and with solid, and then we will want anything. So we should be careful for all these things. Satam Prasangamo Bhavat Virya Sampidau. The Harikatha, so beautiful and so powerful. Virjavati. Virjavati means it will go in the ear of sadhaks. Srinvatam Swakatha. Punna Shramana Kirtana. Hridyasto Yabadrani Vidono Suhit Satam. Sadhus are my friends. I am their suhid. Causeless friendship there. Living together in this body. Forever. And Krishna, in the shape of Harikatha, comes in sadhak satang har. Take an example. There are 2 bosom friends. One friend went to his friend, but he was busy in anything, any work, in his cooking or anything. The friend entered the room and said, there are so many chairs, but all are so dirty. So take that thing and like this. And he cleared. And then he sat down. In the meantime, the friend came. Oh, it is so late to come in. And you have yours, you have cleared this thing. Why you did so? Oh, you are my friend. So I have done it myself. So Krishna, as a Suhrita Bandhu, he enters in the shape of Harikatha here, and he becomes a Bandhu. Bandhu, you know, Prana Bandhu. Krishna is our Prana Bandhu. We should have a relation with Krishna as a Prana Bandhu, not his superior and fallen. Guru gives it. Practicing sadhana bhakti, it will come in bhava bhakti, and Krishna becomes Prana Bandhu. Krishna is Prana Bandhu of Radhika. Krishna is Prana Bandhu of Subal Siddham. Also, Krishna is Prana Bandhu of Yashoda Maiya Nanda Baba. This Prana Bandhu in so many forms. In Madhur, in Sakha, in Bhaskar. So Krishna should be known as he is a man like a Nar. Nar, you know?
Human.
I am human. He is not so powerful. He is not gods of gods. So now by the Rasik Vaishnava, Satang Prasangamam Vidya Samvido, Bhavantarita Karana Rasayana Kata, Tajyosanat, when we will follow all these things, Sadhan Bhakti, Samadhan, Kirtan, Vishnu, Smaran. Or, most powerful among them, Sadhu Sanganam, Kirtan, Bhagavat, Saman, Mathura Vashi, Mukti, Shraddhaya, Sevan. And among them three, Shramanam, Kirtanam, Smaranam. Among them, only Vijayate Sri Krishna has all power, all attributes. He is himself Krishna. So we should believe in Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. He has told like so. So in Sadhu Sangha, all these things are explained. So we should. Then, by this, in Sadhu Sangha, doing chanting, remembering everything, first sadhana bhakti comes. It is also divided in so many things. It will take so much time, perhaps 1 hour I have spoke. So I am finishing and polishing. Upasangharam karoti. Upasanghar, you know? Confusion. And again I will try to explain more another day. That first it comes sadhan bhakti. Guru tells chant, and he gets some relation by diksha. Pure Krishna Das. Doing so bhakti, sadhan bhakti, Sramana and Kirtan and all in very bona fide Vaishnava association. It will come in bhav bhakti. Like a school, as we are reading in school, A, B, C, D. Then next class comes. Gurudev tells that two akshar
Syllables.
mixing, he tells G-O, go. You should tell. Pronounce it. Go. Then B-A-D. C-O-N-E. Oh, it is very hard. You are telling new thing. My lower master was telling that only A, B, C, D will do. You are telling new things. New things, more you will have to learn. In other classes. Then he goes to one more classes. Then he tells that we should love each other. Oh, there are so many words. My guru told that A, B, C, D. Then second told that you should O, N, E or others. R, A, M, Ram, Ram or anything. A double S is equal to S. But you are telling so many words at a time. I cannot do. It is quite new. I want the same teacher. It will not do. When you will come to graduation, then only ABCD, play up only ABCD here there. But in a so high grade, that ABCD and that ABCD is not one. Yes or no? You cannot tell that. Oh, you are doing new things. If you are not learning them by classes, by gradually, then sadhan bhakti will not come in bhava bhakti. So at the sadhan when is going to complete, will have to come in bhava bhakti. Then you say, oh, Swami Maharaj has told so many things. Only to distribute books, only to erect so much, 18 crores of land for any month. Chanting only Harna
16 rounds.
and reading books. What you are telling, that go on up. It is
Quite wrong.
quite not wrong,
Different.
but your special way, this was a special way. So like a boy in first class, he is telling that now in graduation he is telling that master telling so many different things. I want to be that very class, A, B, C, D. So we should try to understand all these things. We should do like this. There is a insect, perhaps.
Inchworm.
Like
Inchworm.
You should do like this. Otherwise, bhakti is a current, and if you want to control with a ball there, then it may be dry. We cannot go on. So he is telling Shraddha, Manishadan Bhakti. Shraddha, Bhakti, Rati, and then Bhakti Anukrishna. Here Bhakti means Bhav Bhakti. Prima Bhakti. Rati means Bhav. So they are not one thing. But the what platform comes from Shraddha. It will not gallop. But a bona fide guru will not tell that you should be where you in first class. And tell ABCD. He will tell that. Go on. You should come to Rati. The definition of Rati and Sadhana Bhakti are different. Kriti Sadhya Bhava Sa Sadhana Vida Nitya Siddhasya Bhavasya Prakatang Ridi Sadhyata. If I have read Srimad Bhagavatam and if you have read the books of Swamiji, Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, and very brief, solid thing. You should try to go deep in that thing. And if you will not go deep, then only management. Only management will not do. How will management? Lakhs and lakhs waves are coming, going, and again coming. Have gone to Puri, and you have seen a very high wave is coming. We are thinking that if that wave will be down, then that will be. When it fell down, I saw that all more higher and higher waves are coming, gradually, day and night. So this world is of only problems. You cannot solve problems. You can solve all the problems by the help of this sadhana bhakti, bhav bhakti and prema bhakti. Otherwise there is no meaning at all. So we should not try to be one class, infant class. We should try to go forward. We cannot live 15 years in a class. There was my friend, we are reading in same class, and metric class at that time. I don't know what are the classes. In English system in India, when I was reading, in metric, he get 18 times examination and failed. And he became old. But he was, as I know that I will again and again, I will give examination, I will pass. But he never passed. And he died. This don't have a wave like this. So bhakti is like a current. And we should not be try to be in a one class, infant class, gradually we shall. Rupa Goswami has told. I think that you should read very deeply these books of Swami. Everything is there. He has told not so much, but everything in treasure he has reserved things. So we should try to know all these treasures by the keys. What keys?
You Guru.
Sadhu Sangha, Sarva Shastra God. Without Sadhu Sangha we cannot reach. So I am doing pranam to Sadhu Sangha and to Sadhu and Bhakti and everything. Gaut Premanand. We will meet another thing. If anyone question, I cannot tell now because doctors have strictly prohibited me not to speak so much. Otherwise I will no sleep. So, if very little then he is also sitting, laughing. But we have no time, only 2 minutes, 3 minutes. And if you want, then I will give chance that you should question. And if I am qualified to answer, I am not telling that I am so much qualified to give all the answers, question. But I will try. What I have heard from Swamiji, my Gurudev, Srila Prabhupada Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati, and all other honorable Vaishnavas, like Tirtha Maharaj, like Ban Maharaj, like Siddhar Maharaj, like my Gurudev. So many you have not seen them also. I have also heard from Swamiji also. Prabhupada Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj. So much. So I have told a very remnant, very first Mahaprasad, like Mahaprasad I have told. And if you question, very, and if you want another day, we can. You can have questions and I will try to answer. Gaur Premanand. We are like a East Goshti. No? East Goshti means questioning, any doubt, ask him. But we should always try to know the slope of Gita. What is slope Gita? Tat vidhi pranipade paripashne shevaya upatechantate jnana jnanina. If and all he knows or not, I will have to see by my questions. I will fell down and I will उनको पराभव कर दूंगा, पराभूत कर दूंगा. I will defeat him. Or I want to know how he knows. This should be given out. To bona fide Vaishnavas, very humble, requesting. If I am able to hear, qualified to hear, you should answer. I am not telling and impressing that you should answer. So, if I am qualified, you can answer. Like this, I want to know, to practice it in my heart. So, we will do it another day. It is a Goshti. You can ask anything, I should answer. I should ask, you should answer. Developing this. If I have told anything, changing, I must be forgiven. I am not like bona fide devotee like Swamiji, my Guru. So I must be excused. Gaur Pranam. Hare Krishna.
Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda.
Sir, is that boy? Somebody?
Prabhu is there.
Huh? Let's take something. What should we do bhajan of Krishna? सो करके भी बोल सकता है, by sitting, by sleeping, anyhow you say. If it's better, sleep and hug. You can stand up.
This fine. You should be like that.
Oh, we are very. No need of mic.
No, for recording.
No. Oh, then.
For recording, you need.
He should come and speak from here.
Sorry.
No problem.
I'll come there with you. No, he will speak.
Come here and speak. By sitting. That's how it is. It will catch.
Hare Krishna. First of all, I pay my humble obeisances at the lotus feet of my spiritual master, Vishnu Pacha, my Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj. By his godless mercy, I am here today
Keep eyes on
in the family of all the Vaishnavas, and then I pay my most humble obeisances to all the present devotees, and I beg that they may
You should speak loudly.
Maharaj.
It seems that we have not taken food from Mahaprasadam for 10 or 11 days.
So that's why I'm begging mercy that if all the devotees empower me, then, or to give them by mercy, then I may be able to speak and serve my spiritual master and all the devotees for the pleasure of Shri Guru and Gauranga. So as we all know that Maharaj's this tour has been a very
You wrote most of it, I just wrote a little bit. Yeah.
Very appeal. Very. This should give him You are trying to give it to all. How they will be?
There's a
This is glass. What glass?
This is water.
Plastic. Any
steel glass, metal glass,
our glass is here.
carbon bandana.
Do you know what is COM? C-O-M? It's an electric mail system that can go to
Internet.
that can go to all devotees in the world in a few seconds.
You should go. They are
They
trying
will-
to send all.
Well,
Yeah, Budara will send it
Yes.
on internet.
Very good. Very good. Also, what we discussed today, it should be also
Go on internet.
to hold by this.
as part of the letter or as a separate statement?
As you think better.
We can put every day.
Every day.
some News
Every
release.
day.
Yes.
News
Very good.
release
Very
every
good.
day.
Very good. If it costs no harm.
No
Yes,
cost.
that's right.
No cost. Just put in the internet.
Okay.
I want this. All devotees should know clearly everything.
Yes, we can do every day
Every
news
day.
release. Budara will do with Sita.
Jiva issue would be very nice. Circulate all over. Jiva Tattva issue.
I'm so pleased to see that Gyan Das Prabhu, Anandini,
Anand.
Shyam Rani,
Vrindavan Vilas.
Vrindavana Vilasini,
Trying to quit?
Vrinda Devi, and all senior or junior, all devotees, bona fide devotees, all are with me everywhere. When I'm here, you should be with me, listen my lectures, and try to take it in your hearts, not here. It may be wrong, or it may be stopped, but this will not stop. We have never used this up till now. So this thing is so strong to catch everything forever. Gaur Premanandi. You are all coming? Coming with me there? Huh? I should stay here today. You are,
If you want, you can stay here today.
yes, or she did.
How far is it from here?
Our whole car and everything will be here.
How much? 2 hours.
If I will go there, no program today. I will have to take. So where I should take rest here or there.
I think if you take rest here,
If there is bathroom and everything suitable,
Very nice room for you.
but they should not suffer for me.